At Invia Robotics, we make automation systems that autonomously move goods across your warehouse to dramatically increase accuracy and productivity. Our AI-driven software employs Invia logic to map the most efficient paths through your warehouse. It then uses Invia command to tell the robots where to go, how to get there, and what to pick. With our picking module, Invia picker robots pick totes of ordered goods from the warehouse and bring them to a stationary warehouse worker. Invia's system tells the workers how many items to retrieve from each tote. Those items are scanned to go to pack-out, and the robots return the totes to the warehouse, reslotting them if needed. Invia command can also be used to direct your people in zones where they are picking. At times, an item is stocked in a unique way that makes it difficult for a robot to handle, and a warehouse worker must pick the item. Invia's PickMate tool, an intuitive user interface that can be used on any smart screen, uses the same efficiency logic used for robots to direct your people to the next pick. Meanwhile, robots are able to continue working in their designated zone, creating an environment that optimizes efficiency across all of your labor points. Invia picker robots can also be used in alternate picking workflows, such as our L1 solution. Navigating the warehouse with ease due to their compact size, the robots bring inventory totes for all current orders to a staging put wall, where dynamic slotting ensures a steady order flow. Whenever your warehouse worker starts or returns to their shift, items are ready to be immediately picked, scanned, and sorted into orders on the cart. Invia's system tells the warehouse worker which items and what quantity to pull from the put wall, and which order bins to place them in for pack-out. They pick all the orders for the day, moving only inches between picks and eliminating costly walking throughout the warehouse. The robots then return the totes and reload the put wall with new totes, for an operation that runs seamlessly and is never disrupted. Invia picker robots can operate around the clock, setting up the next day's orders overnight to be ready for picking first thing at the start of the next day's shift. Invia's system helps ensure inventory accuracy through cycle counting. Invia picker robots cycle count autonomously by weight or by working with people to perform counts. In the first workflow, robots work autonomously to pick a tote and bring it to a scale to be weighed. Knowing the weight of each individual item, they calculate the total number of items in the tote. In the second workflow, totes are brought to people who are directed to count and record the number of items with Invia logic. In both workflows, the robot then returns the tote to its proper place in the warehouse. When it's time to refill your stock, Invia's replenishment workflow creates an automated and optimized process. Warehouse workers load new stock into totes on the replenishment wall. Invia picker robots retrieve a tote and take it to a scale to establish the weight of a full box of inventory before placing the full tote back in the warehouse. With Invia, your inventory is restocked accurately and efficiently, and wasteful warehouse walking is eliminated. Whether you're using robots for picking, cycle counting, replenishment, or any other process in your order fulfillment, they can operate around the clock to keep your warehouse humming. The system can also expand as your business grows, encompassing additional racks and even additional floors. Your warehouse manager can always track progress across the warehouse in real time, so there are no surprises and always 100% instant gratification with the results. Put the power of mobile robotics to work in your warehouse.